Smoke detectors, motion lights, security cameras, alarms, fences. We don't think twice about investing in things like these. They protect our home against invasion, right? But what about 1/16 of an inch? Doesn't sound too threatening, does it? After all, that's the width of a quarter, the tip of a pencil, a piece of string. Well, an opening that size is all it takes to allow termites into your home. And then it won't matter if your house is the Pentagon. Termites will stop at nothing until your home is totally and completely destroyed. And before you call your homeowner's insurance company to file a claim, termite damage is considered routine home maintenance. That means it's your responsibility. Inside a termite colony, the royal family sits comfortably at their table, surrounded by their bodyguards and their young, just eating away. They never have to leave the colony because they have older worker termites bringing them food. But what can you do? There are liquid treatments out there that are just like any other insecticide. They kill on contact and act as barriers. But liquids, as it turns out, are not the most effective way to combat termites. Liquid treatments, whether used outside or inside, must come into direct contact with termites to kill them, or to be effective as a barrier. The odds are liquid treatments are only going to kill a small fraction of the thousands of food-foraging termites. And the ones that remain can go under or around whatever barrier is formed. Likely, that colony is going to rebound. Unless you attack the colony itself. The Sentricon system allows you to do this very thing. Sentricon bait stations are installed in the ground around the perimeter of your home, or above-ground bait stations can be placed inside your home where termites have been found. The bait inside has an active ingredient that keeps termites from molting. Termites need to molt to survive. When they can't, it's lights out for good. So, the scenario happens like this. Willie the worker happens upon a Sentricon bait station. He eats the bait because it's been proven termites prefer the bait over wood. Then he heads back to serve up a nice feast for his friends in the colony. Except this feast will be lethal and right to the heart of the colony. The same goes for the thousands of other workers foraging for food. When they feed from Sentricon bait stations, they deliver thousands of deadly doses back to the colony. So, the younger termites vanish first, followed by sequential generations until the colony is completely gone, basically from the inside out. Sentricon consistently delivers that lethal dose back to the heart of the colony until the entire colony is totally and completely eliminated. And as long as your protection stays in place, you keep future colonies from destroying your largest investment. That's why Sentricon is the clear choice and the only termite protection your home will ever need. Sentricon, the standalone termite solution.